everyone, welcome to the session of our project called Industry Tourism, interview with a tourism and hospitality professional. Today, we're here to learn the real-world work in the tourism and hospitality field by talking to an experienced professional. We know this industry is a lifeblood of many local economies, including here in Cebu City, so we're thrilled to dive into this insight.
Good day, ma'am. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Reina Miyongko, and I am one leading this interview as part of our project. We are interested in how the tourism industry works, from how destinations attract visitors to how every touch point shapes a traveler's experience, and we are excited to share what we will learn today with our audience. And now let me extend a warm welcome to our special guest, Ms. Ananti Tapia. She has built a meaningful career in this dynamic field and is here to tell us about their work, challenges they have overcome, and the journey they will lead them to where they are today. To start, we'll be asking Ms. Ananti some questions about her personal background and job to help us understand the foundation of their career. We want to know what she does now, how long she has been working here, and what drives her passion for this industry. So let us begin with our first question. Can you share what initially inspired you to pursue a career in tourism and hospitality?
What really inspired me since nag-school pang jud ko is I really want to become like my father. He is in tourism also, and I really love to experience more on how to work really in the tourism industry. So mo dyan na curious jud ko, like ganahan jud kay ko nga kanang mag-entertain sa mga tao. So mao dyan na ang ako ang kuan sa akong self na ganahan jud ko nga ang mga tao from different places kay ma-introduce na ko ang ang municipality sa ilaha para mag-visit.
Third question, what personal qualities make someone successful in this field?
Some qualities, I think, if you are honest to yourself, more gid na siya, and kanang kabalo gani ka mo kuan sa imong kauban. Like kabaw ka mo sabot, mahalubilo, mangayog tabang, maura gid na siya nga murag, and you will kanang listen to one another mo din makapabusa sa inyong kanang banded sa job.
Hello, yes, I am Kimberly Malahoy. I am the next interviewer. So, for job responsibilities, how do you handle your guests?
Well, sa mga pag-spila pag yun, dito doon nag-give me sa una ko pag-handle sa guests, especially if na problem. So first, you need to listen sa guests. Maminaw ka o sa ilang storya sa imo ka unsay problem nila, and then mao na nga if di ninyo makaya, ayaw ninyo i-handle sa inyong self, ihatag ninyo sa tourism officer or kinsabay taas niya posisyon. Kay since if do man gali mo kabalo sa pagsulbad sa problema, ang katong tourism officer mao makibaw sa pagsulbad sa problema. So mao na nga you should listen jud sa guest, pero if ma-handle ninyo sa inyong self, pwede ra kamo ang maminaw sa or kamo ang muhatag sa solusyon sa unsay problema sa guest.
And smile. Is for the challenges. First is, what is the biggest challenge you face in your job right now?
Nagkakit kayo may challenge yun ay since upcoming ang fiesta, no? Mag-isod mo yung paggawa sa mga budgets na mo since daghan pa man siya process, and then usab-usab ang among since actually ang reason na gabi kay mga utok, no? So mag-lisod-lisod na idea ang usa, na idea ang usa, na idea ang usa. So dapat magsangkop yun na sila ang usa para ang outcome niya nindot. So for now, ang challenge ron is naman mean for upcoming fiesta and opening saldo na ang Plaza Mercado sa People's Park. So kami ang tourism nag-handle anak. And then unta mga tusan mo, no, especially sa mga students from CMU, please come visit Plaza Mercado, and then naana yung mga gipang planuhan na and manifesting, and hopefully success siya para sa upcoming na po yung mga panahon ma-continue na sila.
So for advice to students, the first question is, what is one way to greet tourists in a friendly manner?
I think kung ano nyo, fourth year man ata to or third year, naamoy training ana from BOT niya on how to greet a tourist, di ba? On how to greet a tourist, on how to, basta daghan to sila, but ang amuara dyan no, kay you need to learn the mabuhay gesture. Mao gid na ang sa Talisan yun. Dapat mag-ingana dyan mo mabuhay. Especially mag-work mo sa kanang kuan, kanang hotel, mao gid na, especially pud sa airlines, dapat ingana gid na. So mao na karon, murag kami man ata to ang first nga na trainingan sa CNU about na lang kuan, kanang nga training ba, nakalimot ko sa iyang title jud, basta kay naa siya yung mga kwanito nga on how to do the mabuhay gesture o sa proper anana ba, so maabot ka mo din mo sa na siya nga first, if mo abot ang guest, dapat mabuhay yun mo maalas.
So, thank you.
So that's all. Our interview has successfully complete. We learned a lot and we apply this in our future. Ms. Tapia gave us an advice that will apply to ourselves. Thank you and God bless.